Hello, welcome back and welcome to my channel. My name's Marie, and first off I received my 3 packs of twosies or 2-finger testers. These are samples, but you can use them. This is called Lokalani Rose. This is from Destination Hawaii. This is a beautiful pink shimmer. Not sure you can see the shimmer real good, but this is gorgeous. This collection just launched this morning, Monday, the 22nd of May. Next we have Cabana Breeze, which is a design. Look at the palm trees right there. And it looks like it's very close on the tips. It's very close to this. There's just a slight difference, so they probably could pair well together. But this one sold out. They will restock it because it's the summer collection, so all of those that sell out will restock for sure. And then Waialua Falls we've got. It's a beautiful blue glitter. It's gorgeous. Like water, like a waterfall. Alright, so I'm going to use, this is Retired, Time to Go. I thought this green right here would pair well and bring out this little bit of the green that is similar here. So we'll see how it goes. Plus I'm using these and there's no thumb, so I gotta compensate for that. So I will sort these out and we will get started in just a minute. I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Hopefully I can stretch that to fit my ring finger, since remember these are just twosies. So I don't know that I can stretch that for my middle ring. That should, and stretch this for my pointer. If not, I'll use that one, but I really wanted to use that. I could always do a slant with it. So we shall see. Just trying to get more creative here. Oh my goodness. This green is so pretty. Not sure why I took out 2 there. So I'm so excited to get my sets from this Destination Hawaii. There are just so many pretty sets. Of course there are, right? But there really are. Oh my gosh. I didn't get the petties. They have, I think it was 2 petty sets that they have for that match the manis. I don't see any reason for me, since I got the mani one and I used the biggest strips and then a couple others for my petty, so I didn't feel that it was really necessary. Wow, I never get tired of this. Let me stick this away here. Okay, here's the test. Let's see if I can stretch it. I'm so rough. I've been learning to be a bit more gentle. I just don't want to distort it either. That's the biggest thing I'm worried about, is distorting it. We'll see. Oh no, not there. Okay. Okay, pretty much got it. There we go. Oh, see the green? I feel like the green goes so good with that. Time to go. Looks so good together. Yes. Awesome. Well, now that I know that, I'm pretty sure I can't. I'm gonna try, but that nail is bigger. A lot of people use this end for their pinky and this end for their pointer finger, but I don't know. I feel like my pointer finger is wider than my ring finger, but we shall see. I mean, I know I've tried it before on my pointers, but never give up. So I'm gonna try it because I want it that bad. Oh my goodness, I love this. It did sell out. I think I did mention that in the beginning. It could be that people have it in their carts, but it will be restocked for sure. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so pretty. Yes, and I like this because I love it when the lighter part of the ombre is down here. Oh, so excited about this. Hopefully I can stretch it okay to fit my ring finger. Look at that, how pretty that is. Should have showed you before I took that off, but we shall see. Yes, I did it. No wrinkles. Wow, I did it. I'm so excited. Almost. Good enough. I had the busiest weekend, and I think it shows. Like, I didn't get my cuticle oil on like I should. My bestie came up from Texas for the niece's wedding. Well, she was here on Mother's Day too. She hung out with us for Mother's Day with her. No, not with her daughters, because they went to visit family on their dad's side. Anyway, so we hung out pretty much all weekend together. I went door dashing with them. I've never done DoorDash. She used to do Uber Eats, and I would ride along with her when she did. This is really pretty. When she did Uber Eats, and she said DoorDash is way better. Oh wait, oh yeah, way better. I didn't. Oh yeah, I have another one just in case. Just in case this works, I have another Tuesday over there to open. Anyway, I think we did like 4 hours of DoorDash. And I think she made like $70. So it was good. I mean, I think that was good. It wasn't a lot of fuel used. Oh, not quite. Almost, but who's gonna see it? That little tiny corner right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I do. Okay, I'll get one more out. Actually, I should save this for those. Okay. Yeah. It was fun doing it. I've thought about doing it, but I'm such a wuss going out to foreign places. I mean, I guess I would want to do it during the day, but then I don't know if it's less busy during the day than at night. Plus, it was the weekend, so it was pretty hopping. I didn't even know, like, you can go to 7-Eleven and pick up people's order from 7-Eleven. That's pretty cool, I feel like. And like some people, it was just one little, well, we don't know what's in their order, but one little measly order, like not even much, and one tip was $10. Couldn't believe it. Okay, you guys, I love this. I love it. I do. Put this on here because I know there's no way those are gonna fit. Oops. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my channel or video. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you find that you come back and watch my videos, but you haven't subscribed, please also subscribe, because it's free. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and it helps me. Totally helps me out, so that would be awesome. Thank you in advance. Oh, and I just realized, because I try not to look all the time because it stresses me out, I surpassed 300 and I am at, I think it was 311. So thank you to all my new subscribers. I greatly appreciate you. You don't even know. Well, you might know, but I greatly appreciate you. So thank you so very much. It means so much to me. This is just so pretty. Of course it is. Of course it is. All right. Wow, that went by pretty quick. Okay, there it is. Thank you for watching. And again, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And I will see you next time. Ciao.